Hi. So do you ever think about what happens after your customer walks out that door? Well, I can tell you, they're going to talk about the experience that they had with you and your store to upwards of 100 people. That's right. We're in the business of healthcare, and people tend to talk about their healthcare and healthcare experiences to more people than anyone. And these are qualified people. These are family members. These are other people in the community. These are doctors, probably caregivers. So imagine if they had an amazing experience, what they would be sharing to the community about your business. But then imagine how even more powerful they would be if they had something in their hands that they could share, especially since you're going to be educating your customers. So I highly recommend 2 pieces of literature that you want to make sure that your customer leaves your store with every single time. So the 2 pieces of literature are the fall prevention guide. Why this is so important, because you're going to be educating your customer about fall prevention, and we want them to leave the store not just being a walking advertisement for you, but we want them to be an advocate. Because remember, we're on a mission to prevent falls in America. So this is a great piece of literature to give to your customer. You can actually give them a few of them. And then the Nova magazine. This is awesome. Make sure you put your information on the back here, and they leave with this magazine. They learn so much, so you continue that education, and they can reference even more products to show other people or come back to your store and purchase other items. So make sure your customer leaves powerful with these 2 essential pieces of Nova literature.